Hi guys. Welcome to Baking with Beaner and Bean.
Baking with the bitches. At Walmart, getting the goods. I make brownies and cookies probably.
Shopping with mom.
Just us. Do I look pretty?
We've got lots of options for brownies. Which ones is Bella? Which ones are Bella? Which ones is which ones are
Really good. Okay.
wait, which one are we gonna pick? Okay, how many should we get? Like a lot. Trees and snowmen. I think we should get both.
Yeah, I think we should too. Oh, crust. I'm gonna go. Oh my god, sorry. I have no drinks at home, so this will do. Focus.
Everyone's looking at me.
Wow.
She's doing great.
In your bag.
We're gonna get hit by a car.
I think we're right there. It's locked, so I can't get in. I'm in. No. Smoke till I'm high. Excuse me, lady, you don't need to stare at me.
Girls rushing on me.
Got the dope. Boom, 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 boom.
Now we're just gonna get bacon.
Bacon.
What did we get?
Oh, we got sweet tea, pure leaf. Best one out there. Not just one box of brownies. It's not any
Fudge brownies.
Fudge brownies. 2 fudge brownies.
And then we got the Pillsbury sugar cookies, Christmas trees, snowmen, elf hats. We did so good.
Now it's time to start baking.
Oh wow, we're gonna look bald.
It's fine.
Bald beans.
We preheated the oven at 350 for the brownies, and it's probably gonna take a while.
Take your box, and you open your box.
Horny. Let's get the cracking. Ready? And you begin to mix.
Pour out. We're literally twins.
It's crazy.
Just watch it again. We're literally twins.
Yes. Perfect.
Just do that.
See? Insert what noise?
Oh, ready? Cheers.
I can hold my breath.
That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand.
more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment below.